this thing is called range. If you don't want to give range, you just specify a number, means like 0 means like give me the first record, and then you just want to see two things. So that is the beauty of this locator. You can give index, and then you can give like what you are saying, like by from a human perspective you can give it. Locator seems to be valid at that point of time. ilog seems to take like a number, because like 0 1 2 3, similarly 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it depends on typically on the what is the requirement exactly. Let's move ahead to the next one. Again the same thing, give me the 0 record. Okay, you already have shown, I guess. Okay, now this particular portion, if you have a look at, and in this particular portion it is inside a round bracket. Then I have a pipe operator here. Again I have two things. Okay, so see, we have a left hand side condition, we have a right hand side condition, and then we have our condition. So what it is doing, there's one thing like I would like to know, I would like you guys to know, like this is something how we can select a particular column. Then you see this is DF Titanic, wherever the gender equal to male, female, select those rows, wherever the P class equal to 1, select those rows. Okay, either of those conditions should match, then we are giving this into the condition statement. So if you see, there is one pattern where we are giving this condition statement. This entire is a conditional statement, right? Okay, similarly here you see you can also give a particular column, the same thing, right? If you might have given a column name here, that would also work. You might can give like a condition, that is also working. So now you can like verify where is the P class. Now in the P class I see 3, because like I guess like the gender should be female then. Yeah, see, seems to be valid. Now let's move to the next one. Again the logic differs, but you get it, I guess. This is the female, and then we have locator based on index. We want to see full rows, means like horizontally we want to, vertically we want to see everything. Vertically means this. Okay, and then in horizontally this is applied on the, I guess, the second or third, 0 1 2. Then I guess means, yeah, the same thing. It's a P class equal to 1. Okay, so we are selecting this. Okay, and everything is inside a condition. So again the same result should be, means like the same result. Only thing is, again we are like index locating, and here you see we don't have different arguments. We have only one argument. So previously we had two arguments, right, in the ilog, and now we have only one argument. And what it's saying, like, it just show me the first 3 rows. It means the same. So far so good. Again, yeah, so this is the beauty of the lock as well. Now you see vertically you want to see all the rows, and in the second part you are giving again a logical expression, df dot not null dot all, means like all those rows where everything is null, I want to see them. So this, so you see not null. Okay, so just opposite of what I said. All those rows where like not, where all the columns are not null, I want to locate them. So you see here. Moving to the next, again, yeah, so I just so I remember like I wanted to see what is the result of this, so I gave it here. So it said that ultimately what it returned a column list. Means like it's a list where like it said that like in this uh, column all the values are like there might be some null or some not null. It was like that only. You can possibly even guess out. I'm also not like I would say like fully aware of this and now I don't remember. But just because like this notebook was so fabulous, yeah, that's the beauty of it. You can try to have see if any is there, what is the result. If is null any is there, what is the result. You can like I will possibly pass out this notebook to you. Then you see we previously if you see like we were going by this logic to filter out or to select a particular column. It was okay, but now we have some other ways as well. Items equal to name and sex and equal access equal to 1, we are getting certain result. Again same based on 0 1 2 3 access equal to 0. You see we are seeing rows and depending on just this access variable. Okay, now there is a beauty. You see all those column who was ending with AD, we can quickly filter it out. One means vertical, you can guess it as like columns. We can apply a different regular expression as well. Then let's move to again this is the normal way of like filtering. What condition we are giving, df Titanic dot p class is in 3. If p class is 3, sum with rows. Set index, okay, I like as I told previously like we can have like multiple, not we can have like typically we can have multiple hierarchical like indexes as well, but just to like let you know like we can have like multiple column like indexes as well. Means like a combination of this will like give this unique value. It is not in this particular data set, but you will understand like later on possibly what is the significance of it. I'm not saying in this tutorial, but like what is the significance of like setting multiple indexes inside a data frame. Again we have this rename. You see df Titanic rename this column and we are passing a text. Df Titanic dot rename, here you see. Next one map rstr dot lower. I'm not fully aware of this, what exactly was it. Then df Titanic give a particular column and ask for what is the unique values in it. It's okay. Typical way of like removing duplicates. From where you want to remove duplicates, okay. Data frame, then you can give a particular list here by how many things you want to group by, or like how you want to divide the table. Data frame, okay. The combination of these things will be combined to smaller segment, and on those smaller segments we will be applying this function. Again we were checking out something. What was it? Df Titanic set index group by. Actually I was trying to mess up to like write something like this. Means like, so that is why you see something I have done over here. You can go through it possibly. If I write it like more elegantly, you will understand it more better, I would say. Yeah, this will give you more idea. So to the setting, we have a data frame on which like we are going ahead and applying. Okay, so it's just like we are not assigning it to anything, so it will remain as it is. So data frame dot set index we are applying, then we are grouping by on level 1 and level 2, sorry, level 0 and level 1, level 0 and 1. So each of this combination uh, means like each of these combination, female 1, female 2, will become a combination, and on those combination we are applying aggregation. What are the aggregated column we want? Female, fair and age, and for that aggregation we have applied a lambda function that is very self-explanatory. We have dot count, drop na, like the different combination you can see here. We have df.tonic.fill na, fill na with npi dot mean. Typically we don't do like this way, because like we have to be very specific with what we are filling in a particular column wherever nulls are there. Okay, because for each column averaging out to fill a null, we can get the average of everything, but just see based on the seat number, sometimes we can like guess like if all the neighbors are like aged person, and it is very most likely that they will also be aged person. So just to give you like why it is important to like handle nulls very carefully or fill very carefully, it is important. Yeah, then we went ahead, df.tonic name.str, extract it out. So this is some typical JSON which I was trying to apply. So of course like these are two very specific. Unless you want to do something like this, then you will have to remember it, but most likely for most of the time you will not remember this. Okay, but just to see like the objective was in a particular column, I want to find out how many rows are there like which has a particular pattern. Okay, particular pattern, or to say I wanted to like extract out a certain portion of it. Okay, gf.tonic that had a 5 you are aware of. We have c1 plot. C1 plot is the worst, I would say. Don't go with this, but I would use plt. Yeah, so this was about this notebook. Have a look at this, try to execute some of the cell, you will find it very interesting. Okay, yeah, so that would be all for this video. Possibly we will catch up later on. Thank you.